Okay, welcome everyone. My name is Pedro Costa. I am the CEO and co-founder of CryptoHub Launchpad, and today we are going to be distributing some USDT rewards to our shilling competition winners. So basically what we are going to be doing today is using this feature that we created, which is called Airdrops. Okay, and we are going to distribute this USDTs to these winners. Okay, so here we go. Well, let's start from the beginning. So this is our home page. You just need to go to Airdrops or create Airdrops. Either way, it's going to work. And now we need to select which kind of tokens do we want to give away. Sorry, as you know, we are going to give away USDT, so I need a token address. And we are also going to distribute on a Binance Smart Chain. So let's find out which is the token address for USDT on the Binance Smart Chain network. So here we go, USDT. I'm going to click more and I'm going to copy this address, place it here. There we go. So it recognized that I have 201 USDT. Let's double check it. Yep, there we go. And now we want to make sure how much do we want to send to each addresses, right? So we have two options. If it's always the same amount, let's say I want to distribute $50, 50 USDT for each address, I can just select the same amount for each address and say 200. So this means that $200 is going to be distributed by $200 divided by the amount of addresses I'm going to put here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, total amount is 200 USDT divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 wallets, so 50 USDT per wallet. This is not the case. We want to distribute different amounts, so we cannot select the same amount. In this case, we want to distribute 100 to the first place, 50 to the second, and third and fourth place 25 USDT. So we have two options. We can either copy paste the wallet to this panel and do space and then the amount we want to give out. In this case, I think it's 100. And the next one is going to be this wallet, which is going to be winning 15. And third one, it's going to receive 25. And last one, the fourth one, is going to receive the exact same amount. So total $200, 200 USDT, sorry. This is the manual way, right? And you can just select the payment, which is BNB, it's only one. It's 0.05 BNB, which is around $15 today. And you can just create the airdrop, which is going to be similar to the ones we already have. Or we instead, let's say you don't have 4. 4 is simple, right? It's quite simple and quite easy to do. Let's say you have 100. Now we have this template here, which you need to download. There we go. And you need to select as many wallets as you want and the values corresponding to the wallets you want to give out. So let's try this one for size. So I'm going to copy the first 4. Oh, wait, I think I need to... Yeah, I cannot edit this one, so I need to download. Let's download in a spreadsheet. Let's upload it. I'm going to upload it on my personal one. There we go. So airdrop template. Here it is. Let's open it. Now I can edit. Perfect. So let's change this wallets to the ones I want to send, which are these ones. And now the correct amount, which is 100, 50, 25, 25. And let's save it, let's download it as a CVS file. There we go. And let's upload here. This is in Portuguese, but basically it says upload. And select the sheet that you just created. And as you can see, it populated automatically here with the amounts and wallets that I want to send. Okay, so now we are ready to send. Let's click send. It's going to ask me for approval. So I'm going to need to approve the tokens that I'm going to be creating the airdrop, which is 200 USDT. So it's going to ask for spending. Perfect. Let's just approve it. Wait for a couple of seconds. There we go. It's already approved. And now I need to actually sign for it and say, yes, please accept these tokens, the USDT. And now I need to pay for the transfer fee in order to create this airdrop smart contract. I already signed for it, and hopefully it's going to, there we go. So now it's created, the airdrop is created, and now we can edit as much as we want, right? So as you can see, this is a BNB airdrop because it's happening on the BNB network. And let's add an icon. Let's add our icon, right? Our logo. Let me find a logo here. Let's use this one. Name, let's call it shilling competition winners, for example. Shilling competition. There we go. And the description we can just copy paste. I'm going to copy paste it. But you can do whatever you want here. It's your airdrop page, so it's your call. Banner image. Let's choose. Oh, I know. I'm going to choose the one we crafted for the shilling competition. So where is it? It's here. Airdrop material. There we go. So let's download this one. Transfer. And now here I can upload it. It's not going to look so well. It's not going to look so well because this is a way too big. It's not the right size, so let's resize it. Let's go to Canva. I'm going to create a custom size, which is 1400 for 300. So 1400, 300, create design. There we go. So this is the size that we need to upload on our airdrop. I'm going to upload the design I wanted, and now we are going to resize this sucker. Okay, so how can we resize it? Well, shit, it's not going to look so good, but we can do something like this, right? For example, shilling competition. Yeah, it's not too shabby. Okay, so let's download this one, and finally we are going to upload it here where it's supposed to be. Now I think it's going to look much nicer, and there we go. So we can save it. Perfect. So now it's saved. As you can see, shilling competition appears here, the logo as well. You can see the recipients here, which basically are the wallets we placed, plus the amount they are owed, right? And here is the details. So as you can see, we are airdropping 200 USDTs for 4 recipients, and none of them claimed. And it's never going to expire because basically we want people to come here and claim this airdrop. And whenever you want, you can come here and change and edit the airdrop details. And this is going to be on a separate video, but if you want, you can even embed your airdrop into your website by copying the snippet and pasting it on your website. It can be a WordPress website even, and people are going to be able to claim directly in your website. But that's basically it. That's how an airdrop works. If you go to the main page of the airdrops, you are going to see that we have here the shilling competition, which you can claim if you are actually one of those 4 wallets. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm just going to copy this one and paste it on our announcements, because we are announcing that the shilling competition is over, and these people are going to be able to claim on our launchpad. Let's publish. Yeah, confirm. And let's do the same here on Twitter. And that's basically it. This is our tutorial to create an airdrop using CryptoHub Launchpad. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you guys on the next one. Cheers!